Oh boy. Anyways, here we are, another day of driving, and it seems it's a little snowy. Well, it's starting to snow. And honestly, I have to get out and do this before they come around and put a bunch of salt down. I don't want to drive the bike on, wet, salty stuff. Not good for it. But hey, we're out today, just on our little daily drive, my countdown. And yeah, it's cool. And getting a little snowy. But all is good. So just a short drive today here. We'll turn around here. I can't go down the other road today. It's just not going to work out. A little too far. But yeah, this is fine. It's not slippery at all, really. Ooh, we'll be able to see my little tire tracks here. Oh yeah. And I made a little wispy path in the snow. I don't know if you can see it on here. Yeah. Okay. Have a great day, everyone. Please like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. Have a great day. GoPro, stop recording.